Everyone is posting home workouts, talking about home workouts, but in reality nobody is talking about the mistakes which you might be doing. And to be honest, you won't look like your favorite Instagram model by following their home workouts. But there is no choice. Right now you have to do all these home workouts. But you can take full advantage of it by avoiding these 4 mistakes. So if that sounds interesting, then let's get into the video. Now the first and the most common mistake which I am sure majority of the people are doing is regarding the split which you are following. Even when you are going to the gym, then hitting one muscle group per day like Monday chest, Tuesday shoulders is not optimal. But when you are doing home workouts and then you are following this split, then you are pretty dumb, man. Don't do like 4 sets of push-ups and be like, oh, now my chest is done. In this way you will lose a lot of muscles, man. Hitting one body part is a complete no right now, man. And when it comes to upper, lower and full body, things change a little bit. So if you don't know what upper, lower and push-pull legs means, then check out this video. Make sure to watch this first, then continue watching this one. You'll get a better understanding of things. So what I was saying is, if you have few equipments like some heavy dumbbells, some bars, or even if you are lucky a rack, then go for upper, lower and push-pull legs for sure. But if you don't have anything like majority of the people right now, then the best split for you is full body. Full body will ensure that you are hitting every body part every day. Man, I'm also not a big fan of that split, but you gotta do what you gotta do right now. Follow this split according to you. If you are a complete beginner, then do 3 days per week. If you are an intermediate, then might do 5 days per week. But if you are an advanced lifter, then do at least 6 days per week. Make sure to watch that video. In that video, I have shown what a full body routine looks like. If you still have confusion, then check out this video. I have shown my complete full body routine. Links will be in the description for all the videos. Now the second mistake which a lot of people do is not achieving progressive overload. I have talked about it so many times. The best way to increase your muscle mass is to achieve progressive overload. What progressive overload means is that you perform more reps or sets which you have done a week earlier. For examples, when it comes to home workouts, suppose you are doing push-ups, 4 sets of 12 to 15 reps and thinking that you will make insane progress. Buddy, you are wrong. You will not grow muscles like this. There isn't that much load on your body parts right now because you aren't lifting that much heavy. So go for failure. Start increasing weight. For example, you can increase weights in push-ups like this. You can easily increase the weight. If you are someone who is just starting out and you are only able to do 15 push-ups, then try to do 16 the next time you do push-ups. This will ensure that you are making progress, and this applies on for every body part. Now the third mistake which you are doing is doing the same thing over and over again. Even when you are working out at the gym, you have to change your workout plan in every few months. But when it comes to home workouts, you have to make the changes more often. By this what I mean is, if you are always doing normal group push-ups, then start doing incline push-ups or start doing diamond push-ups now. Or if you are always doing normal squats, then start doing sumo squats now. Change is really important when it comes to home workouts. You have to hit your muscles in every direction possible. Otherwise, it will not grow. Also try to do every exercise in a really controlled way. Put as much pressure you can on your muscles. Now, the fourth thing is your diet. Well, the thing is, it happens with me that when I'm not going to the gym, my diet loosens up. I'm sure this happens with a lot of you. I mean, there is no option right now. Home workouts are all you have got. So why not make the best use out of it? And it will happen only when your diet is at point. Enjoy your diet, try out new dishes, incorporate some fast food. But just remember to keep track of your calories and protein intake. Also, don't stress yourself too much. So these were the 4 mistakes which people usually do. If you have a friend who might be struggling too, then make sure to share this video with him too. So don't forget to check out the rest of the videos which I mentioned. It might help you too. So that's it guys for today. I hope you guys learned something from this video. If you did, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to this channel. See you guys in the next video.
Why do I, baby, why do I love the way you are, will always leave me? Why do I, baby, why do I love the touch but never love the feeling? Why do